if the question says you should solve this by completing the square method, this is what I recommend. If there is a number attached to x squared, which is the coefficient of x squared, please divide every single term by that number to ensure that you have no number attached to x squared. Done. Secondly, this is what you should do. Take the first two terms and repeat them. X squared plus 2x. Now we are going to add a number and also remove it. Though I know this is not the only way, but I like doing this. What is half of 2? Half of 2. Always take half of the coefficient of x. Half of 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1. So you should add that 1 and also remove it. Because adding 1, subtracting 1 is like adding 0. You have not added anything. But make sure you still have your number, which is minus 8. So this is the only thing I have added here. X squared is here, 2x is here, minus 8 is here. I only decided to add 1 and remove 1. And this 1, remember, it is from here. You take half the coefficient of x, which is half of 2 is 1. Square that, that will give you 1. So add 1, remove 1. So the first three terms will always be a perfect squared, which can be factorized as x plus half of the coefficient of x, half of 2 is 1, squared. The minus 1 minus 8 is minus 9. This is equal to 0. Next, take this one to the other side. You have x plus 1 squared equal to 9. Take square root of both sides. X plus 1, after taking square root, the power of 2 will be eliminated. But make sure to attach plus or minus square root of 9. Next, take 1 to the right, which is going to transform it to negative 1. Plus or minus square root of 9 is 3. So the two values are either x is equal to minus 1 plus 3 or x equal to minus 1 minus 3. These are the two values because of the plus and minus. So x is either equal to 2 because minus 1 plus 3 is 2, or x is equal to minus 4. These are the two values that can satisfy this quadratic equation obtained by completing the square method. But some student might want to take the constant to the right first, then add on both sides the square of half the coefficient of x. Yeah, that is fine too. You're still going to get the same thing.